Hey,
Hello, Pritchard Police. Hey,
hey,
yeah,
what's going on?
you here? Do you know
I,
that gentleman here?
huh?
Do you know that gentleman here? Turn around.
No, what happened?
Do you know that
No,
gentleman here?
no, I don't. Was they breaking in my house?
Yes, ma'am. They was inside your house when we got here.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know
You
them.
say you say you say you don't know neither one of them.
I don't know now one of them, sir.
Okay, can you come home and check your residence?
I'm way out of town. I'm finna tell my stepdad and my brother to come over. Ask them, can they
Yeah,
come over?
tell one of them to come.
I'm finna get them to
Tell one of them
come.
to come over and see if they can secure your residence.
Ask them, can they stay there for 10 minutes? Can you stay there for 10 minutes? Call, hurry up.
Hey, get in
Oh,
for escape.
they trying to run out the car. Can you check that? Oh, they run. He is running.